Yes, and thank you for being here today. It really is, the leadership of the Army has really focused, cyber is a high priority area, and it really has focused on people. And there's a tremendous amount of initiatives now focused on that. Mm-hmm. The Army recently has approved a new branch for the U.S. Army, and that's the first branch in over 25 years. It's a cyber branch, and so that's there. Additionally, we've stood up a Cyber Center of Excellence at Fort Gordon, Georgia, which is to work on the requirements and the doctrine of what it means to have cyberspace operations in the Army. Additionally, as General Brendler referred to, the Army is making its contributions to the cyber mission forces. We're working our way through standing up. We've recently stood up a cyber protection brigade that's really working on defensive cyberspace operations. And additionally, we've also stood up the Army Cyber Institute up at the U.S. Military Academy at West Point, which is really about working the partnership with industry, academia, and kind of the thought about where cyberspace operations should be and what it not only means to the DoD, but really to the nation.
Yeah, wow.